Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing and review. And today, as you can see, we are going to be reviewing and unboxing the new age 50,000 mAh power bank. It is a 50,000 mAh power bank. So, as usual, before we move on, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share to friends and family, and also connect to us on WhatsApp on Viskit. You see the Viskit ID and the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen. So, let's move on. So guys, let's talk around the carton. So firstly, let me quickly show you this because it's very important. It has 22.5 watts power delivery plus quick charge 3.0. Yes, it's a power bank, and it also has a 18 months warrant, and you can see the brand ambassador Don Jazzy, and you also have the product image here, which is the power bank. And also this power bank is a 50,000 mAh, in which you can see here, and also a 185 watt hour, and that's a model of FC50P. Yes, you can see that this is the new age original product. Yeah, so let's take a look at the back. At the back, you can just see 50p, and then we have some information about the power bank here. Yes, we have some information about the power bank. We also have the customer care and the website. You can also connect to them on Instagram. So for some of these, we are going to be explaining after unboxing this power bank. So yeah, I think you can see what is here. It's nothing much, and also yeah. So very quickly, let's unbox the power bank. So guys, we are going to unbox this product very quick right now, but before we do so, I want you to check the description section. You see the link to the short of this video where I unboxed this video in 1 minute. So let's go unbox it quick. So this is a type C cable. Can you see the type C cable? Yeah, it comes with the power bank, and also we have the main power bank. This is a 50,000 mAh power bank. Can you see it? This is new age original. So we have the power bank, and also it comes with a user guide, just a quick user guide. So let's move on and let's talk about this power bank quickly. So let me just give you a quick review about this power bank. So first thing is, you can see the power button here, so I'm just going to click on it, and then you can see the percentage showed on this LED screen, 67. And also we have some quick information that you have to know about the power bank here, in which you can also see on the body of the carton earlier. Can you see it? So those things I'm just going to be explaining to you very quick right now. So you can see everything that is being explained at the back, or the bottom here is everything that is here. So it has 3 inputs and 3 outputs. Can you see? It has 3 input and 3 outputs. It has USB A, and A1, and USB A2. So these 2 USB has an output of 5 volts to 12 volts. That's a output of 5 volts to 12 volts, and also have a type C. So what is special about this type C is that it takes in and also takes out. Like, it has ability to charge this power bank, and it also have ability to charge your phone when you're making use of this power bank. And also we have the inputs, which is lightning and micro. The lightning for your iPhone, and also the micro one, micro B. So very quickly, let's just do some practical about this. So we also have this silicone stripe for holding it. You can just hold your power bank this way. Can you see it? Yes. So also let's just take a look at the user guide. So quickly, I'm going to be charging this power bank, And also I'm going to be showing you about this type C that has an input and output. It can act as an input and can also act as an output. So quickly, I have the type C cord that came with the power bank connected to a extension, so I just want to charge it quickly. Can you see? Can you see it's blinking? As it's blinking, it's charging. So also I'm just going to be trying it to charge my phone so it can act as an output. So guys, you can still see charging. Quickly, I have this phone with me. It makes use of type C. So I have a type C to type C cable with me here. So this is type C, and then I'm just going to input the other end of the type C into the power bank. So I'm going to remove this to make it stop charging, and then I'm just going to input this, and you see the type C cable here acting as an output. Very soon you see charging. So guys, I just made use of the type C as an input, so the circuit was still confused that I want to charge it, not knowing that I want to actually make use of it as an output to charge my phone. That's why it didn't show up anything. So I just have to press this right now, and you can see it. Then I'll input my type C cable so as to make the type C port act as an output. Can you see the phone charging? You can see the phone charging. This is perfect. The type C port works as an input and as an output. Yeah, can you see charging? Okay, so I'm also going to be trying the USB ports to see how it's working. So I'm just going to take this off, and then I have this phone right now that makes use of micro B to USB. So I'm just going to input the micro B, and then I'm going to take the USB ports here. So yeah, and can you see it's charging? Can you see it's charging? Safe charging on 57%. Can you see it? So that is it. And you can also make use of the micro B and the lightning to also charge it. So let's take a look at the price of the 50,000 mAh power bank new age. I believe you can see the price displayed on your screen right now. It is just selling for 58,500. Yeah. So also, to get this power bank at the official website of the new age, click the link in the description section to go there, and you also get this power bank at a discount rate. So rush the description section or the comment section to get your own power bank. You see the link there. What I have to say about this power bank is I love the capacity. The capacity is 50,000 mAh, which is very, very wonderful. I love that about this power bank, and also I love the design. It's very okay, and it's easy to handle. So let me know your thoughts about this power bank in the comment section, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you have any review also about this power bank, leave it in the comment section. Make sure you like this video, share to friends and family, subscribe to this YouTube channel. You see the WhatsApp and the Viskit ID displayed on your screen. Make sure you connect to us there. And also, like I've said earlier, to get these products, check the link in the description section so that you can get it at the official new age site at the discount rate. See you in the next video. Bye bye.